Don't you like being encouraged? When you work hard for something, you like being encouraged, and I think there's nothing absolutely wrong with that. Sometimes it's you feel that it's right, sometimes you feel that it's wrong, but I think awards are a great way of encouraging people who work really hard to entertain.
Which says that award functions are fake and biased at times.
There's so many things in life which are fake and biased. You can't be negative about everything. I don't believe in that. Sometimes people get the right award, sometimes they don't. Sometimes you know somebody, sometimes you don't. But I think when you do get an award for a film or for something that you've worked really hard on, चाहे वो सही हो या गलत तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And I think that's what you should
आपको
focus
से choose करना हो, one is reward and second is award. What would you prefer?
on. Award or award? What is the reward?
Reward depends on the platform which you get it. There are things which are besides.
If you're asking me as an actor, I prefer box office over anything. To me, a man should wear his sexuality or his success or his sexiness. A man should wear his sexiness like a t-shirt, not a tuxedo. रेखा जी मेरी फेवरेट हैं, वो भी जानती हैं, एंड उनका नंबर मेरे फ़ोन पे सेव्ड है एज द वन एंड ओनली, बिकॉज देयर इज़ ओनली वन एंड ओनली विच इज़ रेखा. Oh, the theme is rock and roll with the Indian soul. So this is my rock and roll, and that's the Indian soul.
Thank you guys.
Madonna, always Madonna. My rock and roll pose. My rock and roll pose. No, I've always posed with guitars, but I don't know how to play it. But my rock and roll pose has always been that.
Thank you. Thank you.
I think they're both extremely well dressed and impressive men. One happens to be Western and one happens to be Indian. There's absolutely no comparison, and especially for the fact that they both carry off their own culture and their own cultural outfits so well. I think a man to be impressive needs to be well spoken and confident, and that they both are.
Thank you so much.
Hey, that's so cool.
मैडम यहाँ पे रेखा जी यहाँ पे
and honestness. Honesty, is it honesty? Honesty and honestness. Well, I come every year for the GQ Men of the Year awards, and they're always very entertaining, lots of fun, very glamorous, and lots of very good-looking men coming on stage, so I'm expecting just that. I'm wearing Veda Reja. This is like old family earrings. My mother gave them to me about 15, 20 years ago. Amir? Amir. He's a thinking man. He's a thinking woman sex symbol. So I've always enjoyed his choice of work, what he stands for. So if you ask me to pick, that's me. Yes. Wasn't the speech today? I missed it. Between our kind of look, I'm all for the nice Indian look. I think our Prime Minister carries it off very well. But a lot to be said about a good suit and a man who carries off a suit very well.
Hello. Hi.
How are you?
I don't see you in there. I'm hosting tonight. Who am I talking to? Hello.
Hi, how are you? All the best for hosting tonight.
Get drunk, I'm much funnier that way. So.
Good. I'll wait with you.
It's the Rock and Roll GQ Awards. So some nudity, some intoxication. Cameras will be turned off, abuses will be hurled, and people will be thrown out. And I hope not to be one of them. So, I love when I get paid for it because everybody else spends money on stylists and this and that. I'm the only one who makes a profit on film, so that's what I like. I can't tell you because I need mountaineering equipment to talk to all of them. They're much smaller. But Deepika, always put together here. So, politicians from Maharashtra, I don't know. Most stylish politicians, Smriti Irani. I think she's always got something good going on. Well, in New York, he said, may the force be with you. So if he's with Obama and he says, Luke, I'm your father, then I don't know if that's going to be good. So I got to get on stage.
What's up? Hi. Who am I wearing? I'm wearing Dior, and the shoes are from Louis Vuitton, and the watch is from Paneri. That's the sari ka brand. Oh, I don't know who deserves it actually. I think it's a man who probably embodies style, fashion, and at the same time is not really pretentious. So whoever wins, I'm sure is going to be someone like that. Oh wow. the first time I remember seeing DDLJ was with my entire family, and I think before watching DDLJ, I wasn't so aware of films like having that big an effect on me at that time. So that whole Rahul phase of wearing the jacket and the hair and the hat and that cowbell ka ghanti. Because I remember I would go to Switzerland during that time. That really moved me. But obviously I didn't try to behave like that with any women. I was very decent. But I think a DDLJ moment I think would be that only when I was in Switzerland and I saw a cow with that ghanti and I went and touched it. One dialogue from DDLJ. I can't remember any like an iconic dialogue. जा सिमरन जी ले अपनी जिंदगी और tell me some शाहरुख खान dialogue है ए सिमरन बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है I love शाहरुख खान. Do I believe in a watch? Awards. Oh, depending on what they are for exactly, because there are a lot of rubbish awards also in our country. I mean, we give an award for everything. मतलब कभी-कभी कुछ अच्छा आंसर दे दिया उसके लिए भी अवार्ड मिल सकता है. So I don't think particularly awards have that bigger significance if they don't have a great title. I think the GQ Man of the Year has been going on for a lot of time, so it makes sense to have it.
Experts का कहना है कि elections are biased and fake at times. Do you believe it or agree with it?
हाँ, sometimes they are. Definitely. Revolt. Rekha ji या Namo? Yeah, I was just watching his speech only online outside. I mean, I'm an Indian, so I will obviously choose India because my country comes first. Yeah. I've always said this that the youth should go out there and vote and exercise the right. So I'll just say because I'm from Mumbai, the Mumbai ka vote kar. What do I say? How would I remember? I would remember from Khiladiyon Ka Khiladi because that's the film Madam Maya. So that's my ABCD 2 के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बता सकता हूँ क्योंकि अभी भी काम चल रही है. फिलहाल बदलापुर Feb 20th को रिलीज़ होने वाली है. That has Nawaz and me and I'm gearing up for that. Don't start. Tattoo है अंदर है, but I've been told by Remo कि अभी दिखाना मत क्योंकि सब जगह उसी का चर्चा होगा. What's your favorite rock and roll style? My favorite rock and roll style. I think there's a picture of it which embodies rock and roll for me, and that's the Doors, Jim Morrison, where he's standing and he has that snake and he's standing with his hair down. That's very iconic for me. So I think it's just being yourself and wearing a style. I have not seen them together in a room. When I do, I know. Is it true that I'm playing a waiter? I'm playing a dancer in ABCD. Bye. I'm wearing Gucci.
And why go every time?
Because, I don't know, I love bow ties. I have a good collection of bow ties and I love wearing bow ties. This is the first time I'm wearing a bow tie which goes with the suit. I think otherwise I would prefer color blocking. I wear bows which are slightly different in color. This time I've chosen the classic look. What the nominee? And who else? Virat Kohli. Is Virat Kohli there? Virat Kohli is there. Virat Kohli is not there. Virat Kohli. I think Rajkumar Rao and Virat Kohli. Style statement. As I said, I love color blocking. I like to wear an edge in my whole ensemble. But this time around, I think my rock and roll style statement will be colorful socks. But right now, I'm not wearing it. I've chosen the classic look. So what do I do? Probably my Punjabi kada is a rock and roll style. Yeah. I think definitely Narendra Modi makes a better style statement. He experiments with his jackets and the whole look. Barack Obama is plain. He's vanilla. I think Deepika is very stylish. Really like it. I think it's just the poise she has, and I think she's very talented. Talent also makes you very stylish. I think of course it just encourages you. I just started as a studio in the industry. I think definitely you got a voice. I don't think so. I think my first year, there were most of the star kids were nominated in Best Debut. I got the Best Debut. I'm not from the film background. I think you need both for sure, but of course reward is more important. I've already done that. Yeah. I've already done that.
Thank you.
I'm one of the few who can just strike the right pose. I can't. This is not playing. This is not playing. मेरा मन कहने लगा पास आके न तू दूर जा. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
This is Vivian Westwood. Jewelry. I really don't remember. Sorry. Can you see? I'll tell you.
If you have to give GQ Man of the Year, will that person? Love about that guy.
I think this year should go to our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi.
But from Bollywood, it's Ranveer.
Oh, from Bollywood. Oh, okay. Let me think. I think Ranveer Singh.
Why not Salman?
Oh, why not him? Yeah. But I thought I'm supposed to say anything I like. Ranveer Singh. I don't know. There's something so fresh about him. So refreshing. So I like him, and he's very different. Something new that you get to see, right? Everyone's so uptight. Everyone's so predictable, and here's the guy who just absolutely go by his impulse. An outsider, like a complete outsider. So this year, I think I'd love to give it to Ranveer Singh. Sorry? Believe in them. Why not? They do exist. We do believe in them. But my only
thing against them is there are way too many of them, A. And sometimes they are very long. आप बात करते टाइम फोटो मत लीजिए प्लीज. And but this one is not like that. It will be 1 hour show and it's very nice.
Experts say that the award functions are fake and biased at times. Do you agree with it?
Well, GQ stands for something different, and if we have like 10 GQ awards, that won't be fair, right? One GQ award which is classy, which is prestigious, and it's encouraging, successful men, it's nice. But if we have 10 GQ awards, and I'll have to go for all 10 GQ award and collect Woman of the Year trophy for 10 awards, then it will be too much.
Last question. If you get a chance to choose one between two, award or award, what would you choose?
Award of what is reward? Like appreciation or money?
Depends. What
दादा यहाँ पे दादा
Yeah,
दादा यहाँ पे दादा यहाँ पे
It can be very anything in life.
दादा दादा
Tanya, how are you?
Great.
Yeah, I know. We try around and get the option.
दादा यहाँ पे
Thank you.
दादा ये दादा
Thank
just
you.
pose.
Yeah, what they do so that they can wear anything they like. It doesn't matter.
दादा हीरो हीरो
I wish I was.
दादा यहाँ पे यहाँ पे
Oh my god, this is like the size of me.
She doesn't really
I
have
can't walk
choice
fast.
there.
Hi.
My favorite man.
Gaurav Gupta, my favoritist.
And if you get a chance to that one Bollywood actor we would give
GQ Man of the Year. Actually, there are lots. This year, I think Farhana.
Why?
Because I think he was amazing in Bhag Milkha and he's quite an all-rounder in terms of performance. I think Rajkumar as well because he's unique and he's really different and he's such a fantastic performer.
DDLJ has completed 1,000 weeks in Maratha Mandir.
Wow!
And so is there any DDLJ memory?
Yeah, I think everybody who's grown up at that time has a hectic DDLJ memory. I was in boarding school and we sort of took a day off, went to Bangalore and watched it. So Yeah, so I think that's my.
What is the dialogue that she
I can't. You caught me at a bad time. I'm not going to be able to say anything. Ow, ow. I didn't answer that one. I don't want to discuss politicians dressing right here just now. They're not my favorite people. Do I believe in awards? Yeah, I do. I think awards are really great because they make a person, they sort of reiterate the fact that you're doing something right. And it's a way to appreciate people's work. And I think people for who they are as well, like especially awards like GQ. But I just wish that in our country we could trust awards more. And I think people like GQ are really good because they have a wide range of awards and they're really credible. But I don't think that all awards are very credible. I wish we had more credible awards in our country. I'd watch both for different reasons. That's really mean. They're so different. And both Hrithik Roshan and Shahid Kapoor are amazing for different reasons. And filmmakers are, I mean, you can't compare Heather and Shahid. What am I saying? Heather and Bang Bang, yeah. Oh my god! How did I remember? She is a diva even today, and she is just incredibly beautiful. She's enigmatic, she's alluring, she's everything that a woman should be. And I think when I'm in her presence, I think everybody, you can't help but admire her and just wish that you grow up and look like that. She's so beautiful. I think someone who's ouch. Okay. I think the GQ man, apart from being like impeccable and beautifully dressed and being insanely talented, also has to be a little crazy and quirky. I think that's what completes.
प्रियंका जी यहाँ पे, प्रियंका जी यहाँ पे, मैडम यहाँ पे। प्रियंका जी यहाँ पे, आपके राइट में, मैडम आपके राइट में, मैडम आपके, मैडम ये भाई बहुत
Beautiful whom you wearing tonight.
I forget the name of the brand always, but I'm just gonna find out.
Priyanka, if you want to give award someone in
After I award him with Men of the Year, I'll take him back home. So I haven't found him yet. But I think the GQ Men of the Year awards are really amazing because I mean they're my favorite awards, absolutely. And to be a part of them and actually be receiving as a woman, now for me, I've had a few GQ awards and it's always special.